Hello, I'm Mike Brownson. Here we are at day 3 of GEM's BDA week. So today we covered what I call the level 1 skills. I'm focused on really best practices that are not necessarily related to any specific brand of BDA, and the NICET IB-PSC, which is the In-Building Public Safety Communications certification. These are basic installation skills of pulling cable, following design, best practices of cable handling and connectorization, went into components, and then we finished up the class today doing a hands-on exercise actually troubleshooting a passive antenna system. All right, well that's it for today.